In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use referral code on Binance. So to be able to find your referral code on Binance, then you can click on your profile right here, then click on referral. Just going to load here. And in here, you will be able to see your referral code, as you can see. But if you have actually gotten a referral code from your friend and you want to be able to know exactly how to use it, well, then what you're going to do, you're not going to create a new account right now. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So basically what you're going to do is to go on your Binance app or on website, then you will need to click on sign up. Then you need to choose to register via email, phone, or Apple Google account. Then you will need to input 6-digit verification code within 30 minutes. And once your account is created, add the referral code and then click submit. As you can see, you will get this kind of option in here where you can actually add your referral ID, then click on submit, and then click on next. So if you have actually gotten a referral code from your friend, then this is exactly what you're going to do to be able to input it. So this is basically exactly how to use your referral code on Binance.